Hello and welcome to the channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Falcon K110 micro helicopter from China from a company called XK. Now I bought my helicopter from AliExpress in China, and it took 2.5 months to get to me here in Canada. So I was very disappointed that I had to wait so long, and I kind of suspected that it wasn't going to show up at all. But it eventually showed up. So this is the way it arrived, in this lovely cardboard box. And I haven't unboxed the helicopter, but I did open the outside package, and I also opened the inside, just the cover. So we'll take this out. Okay, and as you can see, it is the Falcon. It says it's K100, but on this side, on the back, it says the Blast K110. So I guess this is actually called the Blast, not the Falcon. So what they're doing here is they have 2 helicopters in the same box, and not 2 helicopters, but the box can be used for 2 helicopters, 2 different helicopters. So the one that I have in here is the XK Blast K110 6-channel 3D 6G system helicopter. So it also comes with a Futaba radio, which you have to have because these helicopters use the Futaba, what does it say? SFHSS protocol. And I have a Spectrum radio, so I couldn't buy the Bind and Fly. I had to buy the one with the radio. So we'll just pop this open. Well, I'll show you the side. There's one side. And this is the back. And this is the other side. And what does it say on there? It says the blade length is 245 millimeters. The helicopter length from the tip of the tail to the front of the main blade is 270 millimeters. Oh yeah, you can see it in the picture there. It is 58.5 grams. 1106 powerful brushless motor. I guess that's the main motor. And 3.7 volt, 450 milliamp battery. Okay, so and then we have the one side. This is the back, or the bottom, I guess. This is the top. So I'm just doing an unboxing today. I'm not going to do any of the setup or anything. There's like a million videos on YouTube with this helicopter and with the other helicopters that they make, like the Falcon 100. Yeah, the Falcon K100. So I'll just turn this around so you can see it. So that's what you see when you open the box. It's got the X6 manual for the radio, and then there's the K110 instruction manual for the helicopter itself. So you've got the radio in one box, and then you've got a parts kit in the second box, and the helicopter is in the third box. So we'll start with the helicopter, shall we? Or whichever one I can get out first. Yep, there's the helicopter. Just put this on the floor. Oh, I really like this packaging. And I've already seen this unboxed, so I know what's inside it. I know how it's packaged inside. So there you can see the helicopter is nicely packaged in there. The blades are in the foam holder. And I'll just put it toward the light there, like so. And I think you just lift the whole thing out. Yes, you do. It's actually attached to this cardboard insert, so you just lift out the cardboard insert and the helicopter is taped to the insert. If I can get it out, there we go. So there it is. Very nice. Very nice. I like that it comes with a blade holder. That's really cool. Always helpful. And there's the main blades. Oh, my one piece of tape had come off, so it's actually pretty heavy. I'm surprised. I guess it's mostly the battery weight, but there we go. So as you can see underneath, we've got the, I think you can see, yeah, you can see the battery is under here. Under here, if it will focus. I'm not sure where it's focusing, but here's the battery. And the canopy is pretty flimsy. It's flimsy, but it's flexible, if that's of any help to you. And then there's the helicopter. And this helicopter has a brushless main motor, which you can see right here. There's the main motor right there. And from what I've seen on YouTube, this is quite a powerful helicopter because of the brushless motor. So I'm just going to remove the battery. So there's the battery. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that I bought 5 extra batteries from China, also from AliExpress. And they look like this. The brand name is Goo, G-O-O. And I believe these are higher milliamps, higher capacity, if I'm not sure. The battery that came with the helicopter, as I mentioned before, is 450 milliamps, 3.7 volts. And the ones I bought, the extra ones that I bought from AliExpress are 3.7 volt, 520 milliamp hours, and they're 30C. And the battery that came with it is not marked. So I'm not sure what the discharge rate on that one is. Anyway, I bought 5 of these and I think I paid, I'm not sure, $10 or $15 Canadian for 5 extra batteries. So that'll give me lots of flights. Okay, so the radio will be next. And from what I've seen on the internet, the radio is beautiful considering it's an included radio. It's very nice. It's a computerized radio. Oh, I guess I opened the bottom instead of the top. That figures. The radio is very nicely packaged with these foam blobs, one on each stick and two on the antenna. So that's really nice to see. This packaging is really well done. Very impressive. Very impressive. So there's the radio. Show you the top. Okay, and I'm not going to put batteries in it, but it has a nice backlit LCD screen. If you go on YouTube, you can find lots of videos where they'll actually show you the radio. So there's the radio, and then the third box is the parts kit. And inside it's pretty much empty. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see. Not really. So what's inside is the USB charger, and we have an extra main gear, a little tiny screwdriver, a spare pair of main blades, and a little Allen key right here, and there's a spare tail rotor. So unfortunately with these helicopters, because you buy them from China, if you crash or you mess something up, you're kind of screwed, because you can't go down to the local hobby store and buy replacement parts. You can get the parts from China. I found them online on AliExpress when I was looking around. So you can get spare parts for this helicopter, but of course they have to come from China, and the helicopter took me 2.5 months to get here. So if I were to break something and I had to order new parts, then it could potentially take me 2.5 months to get the replacement parts, so I wouldn't be flying for that length of time, which would really suck. So here's the USB power cord. So it's about 2.5 feet maybe. Let me get it in frame here. There we go. Okay. And the little charger is very tiny, and it's got 2 ports on it. See if I can see that. There we go. So you can charge 2 batteries at a time, which is nice since I have 5 spares and the one that came with it. So that's that, and I'll just open up the accessories for you. Okay, so there's your main gear. Spare main blades with a big warning on them. A little tiny screwdriver, which doesn't seem to be too bad for an included cheapo screwdriver. We've got the spare tail rotor and an Allen wrench or an Allen key. Let's see if I can see it. There we go. Okay, so that's going to do it for this one. I know other people that doing the unboxing, they put batteries in the radio and everything, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to show you what's in the box. So I hope that you have found this useful, and thank you for watching.
3 minutes.